Hello violin players, welcome to Pro-Am Strings. I'm Henriette and in this lesson today we're practicing the song called Tricky Melody, which is number 91 on page 29. And people always tell me that they find it so tricky to count a piece of music, and while it isn't, you just have to know what the right method is for counting, then it's fairly straightforward. I wanted to spend some time with you in this lesson to go over this because this exercise is specially designed to help you count. By the way, we will also play this song in this video, so don't worry, but hang in there until the end of the video. So let's have a look at the time signature, and you can see that there are 4 quarter notes in each bar. So that means that we're going to count to 4. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Some counts have a note that you play and other counts have a rest where you are silent. There is a fun exercise that you can do and fill up that silence with an activity. Clapping your hands is an option, and I like to use the bending the knees and do a little dip during the rest. So let's count this piece through and go through your knees while you see a rest. So I'll count us in for 4. We're going slowly so that you've got time to get the hang of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Who would have thought that even in a violin video you'd do some exercise? Now, this is one way of practicing your rests. Other people might say, oh no, I really don't like that. Let me clap my hands. So when we practice counting the second line, we'll give a clap on the rest, shall we? Here comes the second line. I'll count us in for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And perhaps you have already developed a preference for either the dipping or the clapping, in which case you can use that in your future playing. You notice that whatever happens, whatever method I use, I am counting 1, 2, 3, 4. And once you get into a habit of doing that, all of your counting in all of your pieces will become easier. So let's get our violins and let's get to play this song. When we play, I just want to point out to you what it says in the red box above this exercise. Di si al fine means da capo al fine, a sentence in Italian. Da capo means from the top, from the head, so from the start of the piece. Al fine, to the end. Fine is the same kind of word as the finish. So when we see da capo al fine right at the end, we'll go back from the start of the piece, so from the beginning of line 1, until we see the word fine, the end, and you see the double bar line right at the end of line 1. Now let's get ready with your violin and let's go slowly, and I'll count us in for 4. And can I suggest that you count out loud with me? So let's get ready on the D string. We're not worried about how we're going to play this, how we're going to bow it. We're just going to focus on the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you went all the way through to the end, I am in awe of you. That was absolutely amazing. And it's a matter of concentration as well as determination to see it through to the end. Now, it may be that you got confused at some point, and that is totally fine and totally understandable. Try it again later today or tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, and you'll probably find that once you get the hang of this, you get a little bit further than the previous time, and that is where your progress is. I'm only interested in progress. In a way, if you didn't quite make it today, you learn more from this exercise than when you got it right in the first instance. And I'm just hoping that this lesson has helped you towards that goal. So if you've enjoyed this lesson, why not like this video and subscribe to the channel? I look forward to seeing you in the next video.